Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Above the Fold. So as you can probably tell from my outfit I'm wearing today, fall is in full swing.
What?
Okay, maybe not so much for my outfit, but I don't know where you guys are at, but where I'm at is still rather hot, so hence my outfit. But anyways, fall is in full swing, and I am excited for pumpkin spice and everything nice, as well as cozy sweater weather when it does get chillier. But yeah, so in the spirit of fall, I wanted to show you guys this copper metallic eye look I did today with a hint of sparkle in there. I think it's just a great look to transition into fall, and I created it using a few new palettes that I purchased recently. Well, they're not really new per se, they've been around, but if there's one thing you should know about me, it's I'm a huge bargain shopper. Anytime there's a good deal, I'm going to swoop right in there and I'm going to get it. So the first palette I bought being the Too Faced Clover palette. It's super cute. I was a little bit hesitant, to be honest, initially when I wanted to purchase it, just because it kind of got some bad reviews. People were saying the color scheme was disparate, there's no like cohesive theme, and a lot of the colors are chalky and there's a lot of fallout. But here's my 2 cents. First off, I think the packaging is super cute. It actually brings back childhood memories of me and my Sanrio pencil cases. Also, I believe this palette was inspired by the Too Faced owner's Chihuahua named Clover. And I think initially they donated the proceeds to animal societies. So anytime like I know that a manufacturer or a product is doing good or contributing to the betterment of society, I'm all for it. And also personally, when I looked at the colors, I felt like, yeah, they were a bit like not cohesive, I guess, but they were so different from any of the palettes I ever owned. Like I immediately saw a lot of colors that I don't have in my current palette. So it's definitely like a diverse addition to my current eyeshadow routine. And immediately I started like brainstorming, coming up with all these different looks I could create with this new diverse addition to my eyeshadow collection. So yeah, my 2 cents, I actually do like this palette, and stay tuned for more looks to come from me from these colors. I really like it. Okay, the other palette I got is the Too Faced Pretty Rich palette. Also got it on a really good deal. I believe both of these, I got it like up to 65% off. Wow! Too Faced was having these crazy annual or semi-annual sales. I definitely look out for those because you can score some really good deals. Same thing with this one. It didn't really get the best of reviews, and I haven't really played around with it that much yet to give you like a pretty like decent review about it. But I do really like how they have a lot of sparkles. I think it's going to be really great to play around with these colors, especially for the upcoming holidays. You can create some really pretty sparkly looks. So yeah, I did create this look using a combination of both the Clover and the Pretty Rich palette, and I really like this look. I think it is even applicable for summer or spring as well, because it could also double as like a sun-kissed look rather than just like a fall copper metallic look. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this metallic sparkly copper eye look, then stay tuned and watch this tutorial. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead ahead and prep and prime my face, which I have already done so. I also went ahead and did my brows. The next step is I'm going to prime my eyes. I'm going to use my Urban Decay Primer Potion. And after that, I am going to go ahead and take some tape and apply it at an angle to both sides. So for today's look, as I mentioned, I'm going to be using my super cute new Too Faced Clover palette. So I'm going to start off by applying a base shade. So I'm actually going to go in with Cuteness Overload. It's like this creamy, shimmery, beautiful shade. After that, I am actually going to dip into this really pretty sun-kissed shade, coppery shade called Wet Kisses. And I'm going to use or apply that to the inner corners to the half of my lid. Okay, for the rest of my lid, I am actually going to go in with Row, this really pretty, I think, like kind of like a deep burgundy magenta shade, and I'm going to shade that to the outer V, just to create some depth and some drama. I'm also going to sweep some of the row into the crease area. I'm also going to go ahead and dip into Cuteness Overload to highlight my brow bone and the inner corners. So just as a nice added touch, I did mention I also got another new palette recently. So I got the Too Faced Pretty Rich palette. And one of the colors I found really complements this look well. It's called Diamond Glitterati, and it's just this also coppery shade, and I don't know, I just wanted to add some glitter and fun to this look. So I did read online that these glitter shades are quite hard to apply, and it's a lot easier when you use your finger. And it is true. When I tried to apply it with a brush, it was a lot more difficult. So just a tip, if you have this palette, use your finger. Then after, I'm going to go ahead and apply some eyeliner. So I'm going to use my Stila All Day Liquid Liner and just draw a kit and flick. I'm going to go ahead and remove the tape now. And afterwards, I'm going to also show some love to my lower lash line. And I'm going to go ahead and take Row. And I'm also going to mix some of this beautiful chromatic color called Best Friends to the lower lash line. After that, I am going to go ahead and pop on some falsies. My go-to falsies, as you may have known, is the Idole Natural Lashes. I just think they're so subtle yet impactful. After the lashes are on, of course, I'm not going to neglect my lower lashes. I'm going to coat them with the Lancome Monsieur Big and Waterproof. And I'm pretty much nearly done with the look now. I'm just going to go ahead and apply some blush. I'm using my Too Faced Sweetheart Perfect Blush Blush. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my Too Faced Diamond Light Highlighter and apply some highlight. And for the look today, I'm actually going to deviate from what I usually do, and I'm going to use this gorgeous kind of like chocolatey brown shade I think is perfect for fall. It's called Sweet Maple by Too Faced. And there you have it. This is the finished look. I think it's a great way to transition your makeup into the fall. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look and stay tuned for more content from me. Thanks for watching. Bye.